Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove black boxes on Windows shortcuts in a very simple way. As we can see in my computer, it's showing black boxes. So how you can remove it? Just simply open your notepad and simply copy this command from my video description and then click on the file, click on save as, and then simply select the documents where we're going to get it. And then we're going to name it as no black box.reg. You have to type this name as like mine, because if you didn't type it like mine, it will not going to work. Then simply click on save as file as all files and simply click save. Don't forget where we set it. We set it into document. Click save, and now you can simply minimize it. Simply go for file explorer, open documents, and here is your reg file. If you just click on it 2 times, and if you click on yes, it is saying the key and the values contained the C drive document reg have been successfully added to the registry, and simply click OK. And now what you have to do, you just need to open the task manager and simply search here Windows Explorer. For getting the Windows Explorer, just simply open the Windows Explorer and then you're going to find it over here by simply to the top. Here is Windows Explorer. Click on the right mouse button, click on restart. And as you can see right now, your problem is completely solved. So this is how you can simply do that. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.